Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to pair your DJI Osmo Pocket 4 with DJI MIMO application. Let's begin! And we actually want to begin by simply installing application. So for now, I will turn off my camera and I will make sure that it stays protected so I won't accidentally destroy the gimbal itself. So now on the phone, we want to simply go into our Google Play Store and we can start typing in DJI MIMO right here. And as you can see, we have our MIMO application. If it stays at relatively low reviews, well, you probably know why. And if you ever have any problems, you know that it is made by DJI Osmo Technology Company, etc, etc. Well, all we want to do is simply hit install. Now the application actually waits quite a lot for application like that, so we want to wait for a moment until it actually finishes downloading. Download process is coming to an end, and in a moment we should be able to simply open our application like that. So let's give it a few seconds. And we should be able to activate it. Before you click open, make sure that you have Bluetooth enabled, by the way. So we hit open, and we are of course first tasked with giving away our soul. And as you can see, the terms of use is, well, pretty big, very big. And actually, a pretty important thing you probably want to know is that the fact that wait, there was something very interesting going on in these things. First of all, if you're not in the UU, AU, whatever, you cannot really make a lawsuit to DJI. Just a little funny fun fact. But yeah, of course, we are going to just hit agree. Like, why would anyone read that, huh? That doesn't really make sense. And of course, we can do not consider joining project in which they share your data. And now we are loading some resource files. And at this stage, we can probably take off our cover here, like that. And I will activate my little gimbal because it will be useful in a moment. So, as you can see, we have the ability to connect and capture, download and edit our files, profile, and some other things like AI editor, support, and DJI forum. So let's go and hit the little application here, the little camera icon, and now we need to give away a bunch of permissions. So let's go into allow all, and let's allow notifications, let's allow our location, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. So let's click one more time, and as you can see, it already have found our camera, so let's hit connect. And now we need to see if the code actually do match, and they do match, so let's go into hit accept on our camera. We are searching for devices now. Let's go and click connect. And as you can see, we are connected. Now we are in the playback mode, and as you can see, we now have the access to our inner memory, and in here you can, for example, download these videos and then go into editor with them, or export them to somewhere else, etc, etc. But for the tutorial of connecting and pairing, that's all. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.